Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome student. Today we have chapter number 15, second year biology. In a lecture number 5th, we will study about excretion in plants. First of all, we'll see the definition. The mechanism in which eliminates or remove metabolic waste, especially nitrogenous waste, is called the excretion. Plants also remove their metabolic waste, the material which is not required in the body and cause different kinds of problems. So plant also remove these metabolic waste from the body is known as the excretion. In plants there are different types of excretory products. These are oxygen, which is the waste product of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants make their food in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, carbon dioxide and water combine with each other and they produce glucose and the oxygen. Carbon dioxide is also a waste product in the case of respiration. Respiration is a process in which glucose is break down in the presence of oxygen. So water is the waste product in both the cases. Water will discharge and consider as the excretory products in the plants. Plant also produce organic and inorganic compounds. So these are the excretory products which are necessary to be discharged from the plants. Gases and water loss. Gases are eliminated through the stomata. Stomata are the minute pores in the leaves through which exchange of gases take place, and lenticels are the pores through which exchange of gases and water also transpire through the lenticels. These are present in the stem. Water is lost through a process known as transpiration, and transpiration is defined as the loss of water vapors from the surface of the plants, either through stomata, either through the lenticels. Plant also have a large vacuoles. This single vacuole is used to store either useful material or the waste substances. Now we study the mechanism of excretion. Excretion in the plants take place by different methods. It takes place through the leaves, through the stem, through roots, or through the vacuoles. First of all, we will study about the excretion through leaves. Plants produce certain wastes of inorganic and organic in nature. These waste substances are stored in the leaves, which are the prominent organ of the plant. The waste material stored in the leaves, and in the season of autumn, leaves are fall off. In this case, plants get rid of accumulated waste and they remove metabolic waste from the body. Leaves are called the excretophores because they store the waste material, and during the autumn season they fall off and remove the metabolic waste from the plants. The change in the color of the leaves from green to yellow, it is not only due to the removal of chlorophyll, because chlorophyll give the green color to the leaves, but there are many toxic materials like heavy metals also present in the plant which give the green color to the leaves. Gardeners find rotted autumn leaves as a good source of minerals. The leaves which are removed from the plants, they are used as a source of minerals and manures. In second type, excretion through stem and the branches. Some trees deposit strange chemical in their branches and trunk, especially in the old xylem, which is no longer used for the water transport. In this case, black wood is usually appear due to deposition of due to accumulation of waste material. That condition is known as the ebony, in which the xylem vessel which accumulate or which collect waste material, so the wood become black in color in the center. The bluebell shaped flowers in the various species of plants living bulb underground also contains the nitrogenous waste. In the third type, excretion through the roots. Plants also discharge their metabolic waste in the soil through the roots. They remove toxic material which is harmful for the plant, for example, conifers. These waste material used as a chemical weapon against their competitors which are present in the surrounding habitat. These plants survive in that particular environment, so these metabolic waste or toxic material also help them to survive in the challenging atmosphere. In the fourth type, excretion through the vacuole. Plant cell has large central vacuole. This central vacuole is used for storage, either for useful material or for the waste compound. These are also stored in it, and these are accumulated at the concentration that lead to the crystal formation in the vacuole. These waste material also accumulate in the vacuoles. So in the mechanism of excretion, we have studied that plants get rid of waste material through their leaves, through their stems or roots, and also vacuoles take place in the excretion of metabolic waste. These metabolic waste are necessary to be discharged from the plants to carry on normal metabolic activities, to carry on anabolic activities, so that the growth of the plant and different other chemical process should continue normally. There are some uses of the excretory products. For example, water, which is the waste product of photosynthesis and respiration, may be used for maintaining of the turgor in the cell. The plants require water. When they need a water, they get water from their roots, and in this case a turgor pressure will develop in the plant, and then plant will be get water and show all the parts in a live condition and become upright condition. So water is essential for the plants to maintain the turgidity in the cells. Some plants actively excrete waste compound into the soil. So these waste products used as chemical weapons against other competing plants. These plants survive when they excrete metabolic waste, toxic material into the soil, due to which other plants, which are their competitors, which can give them harm, so that they will not grow, only that particular plant able to grow. Gardeners find rotted leaves as a good source of minerals and manures. These rotted plants also use for the plant's growth development as a minerals and manures. Thank you, students.